Hello everybody. Everybody knows that pi is equal to 22 by 7, but pi is an irrational number, and so how could we write this irrational number as a rational number 22 by 7? So I'm going to tell you how do we convert pi into 22 by 7 in this video. I hope everybody knows that pi is basically the ratio between circumference and diameter, and that is true for any circle. If you consider a circle and the circumference and diameter, that will give you a constant ratio, which is pi. Up to some decimal places, the value of pi is 3.141592653 and so on. I'm going to consider the first part because if you use calculator, then we can convert this into 22 by 7, or you can get further improved p by q form for pi. That's the rational approximation of irrational number. Okay, so how do we do that? You see, pi is 3.1415 and so on. So we consider the integer part of this number 3, and then the decimal part as well, which is 1.1415 and so on. And then we take the approximate value is, we take the integer part is this one, plus we take the this one is this value to be here. How do we find it? So for that purpose, we consider this value as a reciprocal of this number, that is 1 divided by 0.1415 and so on. When you take this, find this value by using calculator, that will give you 7.0625133306. And then we consider the integer part of this number as well, which is 7. Okay, and that's again the non-integer part, or you can say decimal part of the number as well. So we basically pick this number and put that in this block, see, to get this number. So we get 3 plus 1 by 7, that is come from here. When you simplify this, you see 3 plus 1 by 7, that would give you 22 by 7. You know how to take LCM of two numbers. 7 3s are 21 plus 1, that is 22 by 7. So that's simply the first approximation of pi, and this is known as a rational approximation. Now, can we improve it? Can we get more improved value? You see that value of 22 by 7 is 3.1428 something, so that is correct up to 2 decimal places. Can we have 4 decimal place accuracy of pi in rational form? The answer is yes, we can do that, and that can be done by again consider the same process. I'll take now reciprocal of this non-integer part, which is you see, I'll just bring this one down, and I'll take 3 plus 1 over 7, and then I have 8 plus 1 divided by, again I need this number. What should this number be? That's the same what we have done here. I'll take reciprocal of this number. Okay, you see that, and that gives you 15.996594441. So I'll take, you see, this value is come here to take the reciprocal, and then I'll consider this 15, which is again the integer part of this number, and then I'll simply put this value in this box to get 3 plus 1 divided by 7, which came from this step, and plus 1 divided by the block will be filled with 15, which is the integer part. When you simplify this, we take LCM of these two together first, and then we take LCM with 3. When you simplify 333 by 106, we may pause the video and just find this value by using calculator. So this value will give you 3.1415, and then it's 0 something, so it will be correct up to 4 decimal places. Can we find a further improved value? The answer is yes. You can again process in the similar way, and what do? We take this part again, and we take reciprocal of it, and then we will be doing what? We will be taking the integer part, and that integer part will be simply added with this 15. Now it should be like that. It should be plus, again you see that it will be 1 divided by whatever you got from the reciprocal of this part, which is now this one with decimal point obviously, and the integer part will be taken here, and it simplify it. That will give you a more accurate value in p by q form for pi. Thank you very much.